For centuries, humanity has gazed upon Mars, our crimson neighbor in the vast cosmos. The red planet has always held a special place in our collective imagination, inspiring stories of ancient civilizations, alien visitors, and the possibility of life beyond our own world. From the earliest astronomers peering through primitive telescopes to the high-tech observatories of today, Mars has been a symbol of both mystery and hope, a world tantalizingly close yet shrouded in secrets. We've sent robotic explorers to traverse its dusty plains, dreamed of standing on the edge of its vast canyons, and searched for even the faintest signs of water or life. Each mission, each photograph, each soil sample has brought us closer to understanding Mars, but with every answer, new questions have emerged. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains hidden beneath its rusty surface. Then, on July 25, 2025, something truly unexpected happened. A new mystery appeared on the red planet. A moving shadow, unlike anything ever recorded, swept across the Martian landscape. It wasn't the fleeting darkness of a passing cloud, or the shifting silhouette of a dust devil. This was something different, something that defied easy explanation and captured the attention of scientists and dreamers alike. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye on the universe, was in the midst of a routine observation of Mars when it captured this extraordinary event. Designed to peer deeper into space and time than any instrument before it, the JWST was not expected to make history so close to home. Yet, in a single frame, it recorded something that would send shockwaves through the scientific community. The image it sent back wasn't just another odd rock formation or a trick of the light. Instead, it revealed a clear moving form, an anomaly that seemed to glide purposefully across the Martian surface. The clarity of the image left little room for doubt. This was not a camera glitch or a fleeting shadow. It was something real, something tangible, and it demanded investigation. This anomaly, seen with unprecedented detail, has ignited a firestorm of debate and wonder across the globe. Scientists are poring over the data, running simulations, and debating possible explanations. News outlets around the world are abuzz with speculation, and the public's imagination has been reignited with the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Could this be a rare atmospheric illusion, a previously unknown geological phenomenon, or is it possible that we are witnessing the first real evidence of life beyond Earth? The shadow's movement, its shape, and its timing have all raised more questions than answers, fueling both skepticism and hope in equal measure. The journey to understand this Martian enigma is just beginning. Teams of scientists are mobilizing, new missions are being proposed, and instruments are being recalibrated to focus on the region where the shadow was seen. The world's space agencies are collaborating like never before, united by the possibility of a discovery that could change everything we know about life in the cosmos. Every pixel of the image will be scrutinized, every theory tested, and every possibility explored. From computer models to laboratory experiments, the search for answers will be relentless. The scientific process is slow and methodical, but the stakes have never been higher. As we embark on this quest, the sense of awe is undeniable. The universe has once again reminded us how small we are, and how much there is left to discover. The red planet, so familiar yet so mysterious, has given us a new reason to look up and wonder. A new chapter in Mars exploration has begun, and its first page is a question mark that spans worlds. What lies behind the shadow on Mars? The answer may redefine our place in the universe, and the story is only just beginning. The sighting occurred in Valles Marineris, Mars's colossal canyon system. Stretching over 4,000 kilometers, this vast scar on the Martian surface is deeper and longer than Earth's Grand Canyon, and has long fascinated scientists searching for clues about Mars's past. It's a place of extremes, towering cliffs, shadowy crevices, and a landscape shaped by ancient forces. Using its powerful infrared sensors, the James Webb Space Telescope captured images that revealed something extraordinary, a dark 2-meter-tall figure standing near a jagged rock formation. The figure's outline was unmistakable, casting a sharp contrast against the rust-red Martian soil. Scientists were immediately intrigued by the clarity and the unexpected nature of the sighting. Unlike the fleeting patterns of dust devils or the slow creep of shifting sands, this shape seemed to move with intention. Frame by frame, it shifted position, as if navigating the rocky terrain with purpose. The movement was subtle, but distinct enough to rule out random wind-driven phenomena. Its form was unlike anything previously documented on Mars. Long, slender appendages extended from an unconventional body, giving it an almost otherworldly appearance. The structure defied easy explanation, challenging both geologists and astrobiologists to reconsider what's possible on the red planet. The clarity of the images is both thrilling and maddening. There's just enough detail to ignite passionate debate, but not enough to provide definitive answers. Every pixel is scrutinized, every shadow analyzed, as experts try to separate artifact from anomaly. Is it a solid object, a rare dust phenomenon, or something else entirely? The possibilities are as vast as the canyon itself. Some suggest it could be a bizarre rock formation shaped by millennia of erosion, while others wonder if it's evidence of something more remarkable, perhaps even a sign of life or technology. This anomaly stands alone in Martian observation. No precedent, no easy answers. Never before has such a distinct, solitary figure been recorded in this region, making it a true outlier in the history of Mars exploration. The scientific community now faces the monumental task of explaining it. Teams across the globe are collaborating, comparing data from different missions, and running simulations to test every conceivable hypothesis. Every possibility, from geology to biology, is on the table. Could this be a new type of mineral deposit, a trick of the light, or the first hint of something alive? The debate is fierce, and the stakes are high. The world waits as experts dig into the data, news outlets buzz with speculation, and the public's imagination runs wild with theories about what Webb has uncovered on Mars. For now, the shadow in Valles Marineris remains a true unknown, a silent enigma on the Martian surface, waiting for its secrets to be revealed. The scientific community is split. Skeptics argue it's a trick of light, a rare illusion caused by Mars's unique atmosphere and terrain. Some suggest a dust devil or a strange rock formation casting a moving shadow. Others insist the movement and structure are too complex for a simple explanation. Could this be evidence of life adapted to Mars's harsh environment? Both skepticism and open-mindedness are essential. Science demands extraordinary proof. The debate is fierce, but the search for truth continues. NASA and ESA remain silent, following strict protocols of verification and peer review. Their lack of comment fuels speculation. Are they working on a mundane explanation, or is the truth more extraordinary? Some believe a simple answer would have been released by now if one existed. Others imagine teams racing to explain what JWST has seen. Announcing extraterrestrial life would be history's biggest news, so caution is paramount. Every alternative must be exhausted before any statement is made. The world waits, but the agencies will not rush. Their silence reflects the gravity of what's at stake. Mars has always been a world of mystery, a distant red beacon in our night sky that has captured human imagination for centuries. This isn't the first time Mars has teased us with the possibility of life, nor will it be the last. The allure of the unknown, the hope that we might not be alone, has driven generations of scientists, dreamers, and explorers to peer at the red planet and wonder what secrets it might hold. From Percival Lowell's famous canals that sparked wild speculation about intelligent Martians, to the ambiguous results from the Viking landers in the 1970s, history is full of Martian mysteries and false alarms. Each era brought its own hopes and disappointments, as telescopes and spacecraft revealed a world both familiar and alien. The 1996 meteorite announcement, fossilized life in ALH 84001, sparked global excitement, with headlines proclaiming we might have found evidence of ancient Martian microbes. For a moment, it seemed as if the answer to one of humanity's oldest questions was within reach. But as the dust settled, skepticism prevailed, and the scientific community demanded more proof. Each time extraordinary claims fell short of conclusive evidence. The red planet has a way of keeping its secrets, and every promising lead has so far ended in uncertainty or disappointment. These experiences have taught scientists humility and caution. The search for life is not just about discovery, but about patience, skepticism, and the willingness to question even our most cherished hopes. The ghosts of past discoveries haunt every new anomaly. Each new finding is measured against a long history of excitement and letdown, a reminder that Mars has fooled us before. That's why the latest sighting from the James Webb Space Telescope is met with both excitement and skepticism. The scientific community knows all too well how easy it is to see what we want to see, and how difficult it is to separate wishful thinking from reality. The pressure to avoid another premature announcement is immense. Every word is weighed, every claim scrutinized, as researchers strive to balance hope with responsibility. Every new clue is weighed against a century of disappointment. The lessons of the past are never far from mind, shaping how scientists interpret each new piece of evidence. The search for life on Mars is a story of hope, doubt, and relentless curiosity. It's a journey defined by perseverance, where every small discovery is celebrated, but always with a measure of restraint. Now, the shadow in Valles Marineris is the latest chapter in this ongoing saga, a new mystery that invites us to look closer, to question, and to dream once again about what might be waiting for us on the red planet. The James Webb Space Telescope is a game-changer. Its massive mirror and sensitive infrared instruments make it 100 times more powerful than Hubble. Designed to peer into the early universe, it can also analyze planets in our own solar system with unmatched precision. JWST can detect trace gases, surface temperatures, and mineral compositions on Mars. The Valles Marineris anomaly wasn't spotted by an old instrument. It was seen by the best we have. This makes a simple misinterpretation less likely, though not impossible. Whether the shadow is life or geology, JWST has delivered a profound new mystery. Its power has opened a new frontier in planetary science. The Martian mystery is just one of JWST's many breakthroughs. It has revealed the earliest galaxies, reshaping our understanding of cosmic history. JWST has discovered new asteroids, identified water ice in distant star systems, and even helped track potential threats to Earth. Not every discovery has held up. Some promising biosignatures turned out to be false positives. These lessons in caution are shaping how scientists approach the Mars anomaly. JWST's reliability and power make every anomaly significant, but interpreting its data is a challenge that demands patience and rigor. The telescope's legacy is one of discovery and of humility before the unknown. The moving shadow on Mars forces us to confront the ultimate question: are we alone? If it's life, the implications are staggering. Life may be common in the universe. Even a single Martian organism would change everything we know about biology and our place in the cosmos. If it's a trick of geology, the question remains and our sense of solitude deepens. Either way, the search for life is about understanding existence itself. The mystery inspires wonder and drives scientific curiosity. Mars reminds us that the universe is still full of surprises. The shadow in Valles Marineris echoes our deepest questions. We stand at a crossroads, united by curiosity and the drive to explore. The Valles Marineris anomaly is more than a puzzle. It's a catalyst for progress. Scientists will analyze, debate, and send new missions to seek answers. The search for life on Mars is a shared human endeavor, transcending borders and beliefs. For a moment, the world looks up together, wondering what secrets Mars holds. Whether the shadow is life or illusion, the journey matters most. Mysteries like this push us to grow, to question, and to imagine. As long as we keep asking, our future as explorers is limitless.